Children, first model is will. In will, where we use will and for which purpose we use will, now I am going to tell you. So let's start. Will is used for simple future tense also. For simple future action with second and third person. For example, he will do his work. Will is showing here simple future action that the boy will do the work in future, in coming future. The next is they will win the match. They will win the match also shows simple future action. But there is an exception. If there is a strong determination or willingness in a sentence, then will is used with first person instead of second and third person. For example, I will help you to complete the project. The second example, we will prepare a song for the project. Now see children, in both the sentences I and we, these are first person of pronoun. But instead of using shall with these, we are using will here. Why? Because this sentence shows that there is a strong determination, a promise or willingness to do anything. Therefore, in such cases we use will instead of shall with first person. Second point, where we use will. We will use will to make informal request. For example, will you turn down the music? There is an informal request to turn down the music. Second example, will you come to pick me at the station? Here also the speaker is requesting informally. Third point is for invitation and for offer. For these purpose also we use will. Now see the examples. The winner of this lucky draw will get the prize of rupees 20,000 in cash. Here is an offer for the people, that is why will we have used here. Next is, will you come to my show? Second model is shall. Shall is used for simple future action, to show simple future action with first person. Unlike will is used for second and third person and shall is used for first person. For example, I shall go to the market. Simple future action is here, that I shall go to the market. Shall is used here with I and I is first person. Second example, we shall see the cricket match tomorrow. Again, shall is used here with will, we. Now, again, there is an exception for shall also, like will. If there is a firm determination, threat, willingness or promise, then shall is used with second and third person of pronoun instead of first person. For example, he shall not come here again. In this sentence, there is a threat for him. That is why shall is used here with he instead of will. Next example, you shall definitely win the draw. Here is a determination. Therefore, shall is used here with you in this sentence. Shall is also used for suggestion. See the example. Shall I bring the laptop? There is a suggestion. Therefore, shall is used here. The next is I shall remember your advice. Shall is used here for a suggestion.